Problem 3402. Minimum operations to make columns strictly increasing. To make a column strictly increasing, take this one example. We just go through all elements in that column one by one. For this one, this is the first one, the second one increasing, the third one increasing until this one. We have to add 3 times to this element by 1, which is 4 minus 1, actually 4 times plus 1 equals to 4. With 4 times increased by 1, this column will be strictly increasing, and we do the same thing for all the columns. So we get the size of the grid, then for each of the column, we just compare the elements to the one above it, then we calculate the difference, add it up to the result. That is what we are looking for.